Today, there's a perfect storm of pressures facing every manufacturer. Tighter margins, faster delivery times.
Making things is fundamental to who we are as people. Manufacturing is that at this largest scale. I grew up around manufacturing. My dad was in manufacturing, grandfather, great-grandfather, and so for me it was just normal. In 2011, I visited manufacturing companies in Sweden to interview them how they do analytics and optimization. And I saw that they were using clipboards, timers, and at the same time, a lot of other industries were getting revolutionized with the advent of machine learning and AI. I got kind of consumed by this idea that we can take the production function and turn it into a mathematical model and understand how to never make a bad product. There's infinite possibilities for optimization. So we started Oden 10 years ago now, in 2014.
Our mission, from day one was to make sure that the backbone of our economy is getting the same sort of tools and digital experience as the rest of our industries. We work with any kind of manufacturer who has that vision and that hunger to become more efficient through digital tools.
So we come in with genuine curiosity, humility, and really merge our crafts and their crafts and build something that's genuinely useful to the operators.
There's always an apprehension to doing something new, but I think what we want to make sure we're doing with our customers is being a partner to how they work minute by minute, day to day.
Manufacturing offers incredible opportunities for people long term. The problem is that a lot of these jobs, especially on the floor, just takes a really long time to learn. A lot of companies have 3 to 6 month training cycles, and they are lucky if 50% stay through that whole training cycle.
How do you make that 3-month operator a 30-year operator overnight?
So in the beginning it was more about showing them, hey, here's where you have an opportunity, here's where you have an opportunity. Now what we've found is that we need to go much, much further and actually prescript, here is exactly what you should do on this line to have the best possible outcome.
The system is continuously monitoring and learning and then providing recommendations, real-time recipe recommendations to the operators, saying this is what you should be doing. So set your pressure like this, set your temperature like this.
We're building in a lot more of the domain knowledge on how to do something that helps the operator get that seasoned veteran experience much faster. This is extremely impactful to the bottom line of these manufacturers, but especially to the people. So that's where you get an amazing symbiosis between the system and the people to make the best things for the company.
Everybody has a really high sense of collaboration, ownership. These are engineers who want to see AI, software, do real things in the real world for real people.
That is extremely rewarding to people who otherwise wouldn't see the fruits of their labor in such a tangible way.
The biggest joy I get is when my team or I go to a factory and we see the Oden screen that's being used and the operators tell us, hey, I love this because it helps me do X. That is extremely energizing for me, my team, and everyone at Oden.
One thing that is very true for myself and Peter and for our customers is that we're really long-term oriented.
Businesses rely on Oden to conduct their operations minute by minute. It's a great feeling to see what you build get into the hands of real people in a way that they trust.
Now, 10 years later, we've been kind of unwavering on that big vision, but we have really progressed how we get there.